Ramogi riwruok mar Okinde kod jong'ad bura e piny mangima bade ma piny Kenya motisini Kenya chapter of the International Commission of Jurists ICJK dwaro mondo mi doho ma pachoka mi thuolo mar tiyo kendgi giwegi kao kod donjruok kodgi gi piny owacho kod riwruok mamoko mathur ka giseyo piny owacho kod riwruoge moko e pachoka kuom donjore e chenro mag doho gino magiwacho ni thiro chenro mag doho kendo osebedo ka kelo ng'ikruok e yore mag ng'ado buche e pachoka. Ne giwuoyo e nyasi mar higa ka higa mar jong'ad bura kod Okinde manobagi Malindi.
One of the mandates of the Judicial Service Commission is to ensure that judges and magistrates comply with judicial conduct and accountability mechanisms that we've put in place. So one of the things is to strengthen that, but more importantly to spotlight what information are they giving to the public with complaints that members of the public have raised concerning judicial officers or judges that are considered to have conducted themselves not according to the standards of Judicial Code of Ethics. However, the feeling is that judicial independence is increasingly being compromised by justice sector actors themselves, but also within the judiciary. The functions and mechanisms provided by the Judicial Service Commission need to be relooked and need to be reviewed so that judicial accountability and independence in Kenya, as envisaged by the Constitution 2010, as we had agreed as Kenyans to defend our judicial independence, is advanced and it is entrenched.
We are also looking at human rights for all people. As long as you're a human being, we are saying that human rights should apply to you as well. Because when a valid court order has been made, then implementation of the court order should not be looked at as anything strange.